Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Pauline Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, let me give the headline them. Dr. Pauline Weir, was the medical officer for health at the St. Catherine Health Department, said them a beg people who have high blood pressure to get it under control before them come to take the COVID-19 vaccine. Olivia Grange, was the Minister for Culture and Entertainment, said she happy with how the country look in the latest James Bond movie when named No Time to Die. The police said them are looking at one policeman also get shoot up in a Black River St. Elizabeth last night. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. Dr. Pauline Weir, was the medical officer for health in a St. Catherine Health Department, said them a beg people who have high blood pressure to get it under control before them come to take the COVID-19 vaccine. She said anybody who said them have high blood pressure get tested before them get the vaccine, and when them did do the vaccine drive last Friday in a Portmore, she did have to turn back at least 10 people who for pressure did well high. She said the people them either not take them pressure pill for over a month or them never take none before them come. So when them take them pressure, it did high and them could get the vaccine that time day. She said she just have beg people to get them pressure under control before them come to get the vaccine. Olivia Grange, was the Minister for Culture and Entertainment, said she happy with how the country look in the latest James Bond movie when named No Time to Die. The show come out Friday gone and some scene do in a Kingston and Portland, and this make people in the country get work. Plus them sample some reggae and dancehall music too. Music from Shaggy, Sister Nancy, Buju Banton, Noah Power, Teacher D and Jabos did in the show. Lashana Lynch, who play a Bond girlfriend in the movie, a family who come from Jamaica. And Naomi Harris, who act in a show out here, did in the show too. The police said them are looking at one policeman also get shoot up in a Black River St. Elizabeth last night. According to the police report, around 10 o'clock in the night, gunman shot up the house enough time. The policeman's wife did inside, but she never get hurt. Some report said the policeman who worked in the Westmoreland division did involved in a one shootout with gunman who did in a one thief in car. One of the gunman did dead. The Independent Commission for Investigation, INDECOM, are looking at the killing of one man who broke in a one-time commissioner for police Owen Ellington house Monday evening. According to the police report, them get one call to somebody broke in the house. One policeman go look in a walk one and the man chop him on him hand. The policeman called for help, and when the rest of police them come, the man get shot and dead. The one-time police commissioner never there at the house when the shooting go on. The police said them find one man body without head in the rear cupboard near Thompson Pen in St. Catherine. The body did rotten and him hand did tie behind him back. The St. Catherine North Police said them a wait for doctor do some tests on the body for see how the man dead. People, remember the curfew run from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Pauline Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.